How to fix Facebook identity confirmation failed. So in this video guys, we will talk about this subject, how to fix and solve this problem on your Facebook. Just watch this video till the end. So let's start. First you have to open the settings of your phone. And after this, go to apps. Here search only for Facebook. Open Facebook like this and then go to storage. On storage, go to clear data and click OK and go back and click on force stop and click OK. And now what's next? You have now to restart your phone and that's it, your problem will be fixed. So I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to like and subscribe in our channel. See you in another video.